chairs. But it should be in this order. Here one chair, and there one chair. Like that you can do. Now, spread the bed sheet evenly like this. You could see that here I have spreaded the bed sheet. Now, the other side. This size, you could use this size for your tent. Now I don't have ribbons, so here for support I'm using clips. Here, clip. Here, put it inside. And this side, the support is there, but not equally. Here also you put one clip. Now half of our tent is ready. Now we are going to go and make it equal. Equal. This side I am going to keep it right. Yeah. Just keep it tight, or else I will take another clip. And how I clip the clip here, the same way I'm going to use at the back. Yeah. Now our tent inside, it is very big. Now for the flooring, I'm going to put a mat like this. Now, how much is the size of your tent? Yeah, this much mat is okay for me. Now put it in the floor. And now, yeah, I have space here. So this side I don't have space. So I'm going to put like this. Okay. If you want any decorations here, you can do. Now for decoration, I'm going to use this designed cloth. This I have kept. Now this one here you can put a clip and clip it. Now this side I have already the clip, so I am clipping with that. Our tent house is ready. Now let us go inside and see. Hey, I love this tent house. Hey, Dolly, I love this tent house. You could see our low cost tent is ready. No cost tent. If you open the screen, it looks like this. The things which are in our house, I have used that and made this tent. Make this tent and enjoy. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Roshan Naren Creations. Thank you.